We're at a skate park in the Bronx, New York City. Here, we meet three girls from Chile and Dominica who have their own girls' skater crew called the Brujas.
Me and Ariana have been skating since we were like 12. We're always around skater guys who have their own little crews, but there's never really like a girl crew in New York, so we decided to make our own.
Brujas in Spanish means witch. The Brujas community at large, there's like probably like 20, you know. It's like a growing movement.
Ideally, the Brujas would like their own skate park, but in the meantime, they'd settled for one day a week when only girls were allowed. The Brujas have a special bond. They're proud of their heritage, and being part of an all-female skater crew gives them a sense of belonging.
Being Dominican is everything. I mean, I feel like Dominican women are the strongest women there are. So without that, I wouldn't be as driven as I am now to do Brujas and to like help girls to feel like they belong.
As I've grown up, I've constantly been asking myself, where do I come from? Especially being first generation born here and returning to Chile as often as possible. Brujas to me is part of that reconquering of the spaces that we live in. You get to really feel what the city is made of, like beneath the skateboard, the different bumps, and I don't know, it's different from just walking. It's conquering the city. We are witches, and being proud of it and using it in this positive way.
Street culture, it's still exclusive to men. Just when you're at the park, like it can be very uncomfortable sometimes to hear, you know, degrading comments, or even just the way that some of these men talk about the women in their lives. It's like, can be very upsetting and uncomfortable.
You have to learn how to fall and things like that. But I like it. I like falling.
My favorite moment is when I'm going fast down the street and I'm free. Falling is, in its own way, one of my favorite things about skating, because it kind of takes you by surprise and knocks you out of your comfort zone, and you hit the ground and you're like, ah, but then you feel invigorated by falling.